Hey guys, how are you doing? Did you try the tips from the last video? Let's continue the journey with the next tips. What is missing in your life to achieve your dreams? What is preventing you from living a free life with money and no boss? The truth is, we see a lot of successful and wealthy people out there and wonder how they did it, right? But it is possible to get there. There are two ways: follow the path of those who have already made it or create your own path. But for that, you need to be disciplined and test a lot until you succeed. And the most important thing is to change your way of thinking and acting. Stay tuned until the end of the video for more tips to change your financial life. First step, you need to decide what you want in life. Set a goal. If you don't know where you want to go, any path will do. So, starting today, grab a notebook or agenda and write on the first page, "This is the life of my dreams." This is the beginning of everything. You will use this notebook as your best friend and make a list of everything you want to achieve in 1, 5, and 10 years. This exercise is amazing because it gives you a map, a direction to follow. Second step, on the first page of the notebook, make a list of everything you want to achieve in 1 year. Then on the second page, put everything you want to achieve in 5 years. And on the third page, what you want to achieve in 10 years. And use a checklist because it's much easier to follow and organize. Write down everything you need to do because that's what successful people do. They write down their goals. Third step, you need to create a list of evolution, things you need to learn or change in your life so that your life plan starts to become a reality. You need to learn English, eat better, exercise, and everything else that is important to your personal growth. But it's important that everything is connected to your dream list so that you don't lose focus. You need to be prepared for the competition, so put books, courses, and everything necessary for your personal development on this list. Fourth step, create a modeling page. Write about someone you admire and would like to have similar results to. Research about this person, how they got there, what behavioral changes they had to make. All of this is modeling. You need to understand and copy the behavior and beliefs of a person who has already achieved what you want to achieve. This gives you a path to follow. I'm giving you some pretty easy tips, don't you think? So, were you able to put all of them into practice? Let me know in the comments if you had any difficulties. Let's watch together the 7 videos that will change your financial life. Like and share with your friends to help them too. Oh, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications for the next videos, okay? Now, the 5th step is about training your mind, you know? The thing that can mess you up the most in this process of evolution is yourself. We sabotage ourselves, right? Have you ever planned to start something and then your subconscious comes in and says it's not going to work, that you're not capable, that it's not for you? It's tough. This happens because our brain has been trained for failure, my friend. But failure is when we give up on something, right? So, we have to send failure to hell and only keep our mistakes. When we make mistakes, we get up, dust ourselves off, and try again. That's how we do it. So, let's create a page in our notebook just for our mind. And every day, in the morning and at night, we talk to it. Like this: "Look, today I'm not going to let you sabotage me, got it? At 7:30 I'm going to take a 15-minute English lesson, and at 8 I'm going to do my morning run." This is not up for discussion, you know? These are the new habits that I want you to practice with me every day, and that's it. And you have to help me, you have no choice. And then, my friend, your subconscious will understand that it's serious and will start to help in the process. It's what they call self-discipline. That's how we achieve our dreams, even if we sometimes try to sabotage ourselves. In the 6th step, we're going to talk about money, obviously. This thing deserves a page just for it in the notebook, man. How are you managing your finances? Do you have debts? Are you suffocating? Don't panic. First, we have to know what the situation is. And no matter how tough it is, there's always someone who has been through it and got out of it. So, separate your expenses, leisure, and dreams. You have to organize, right? Money can help you achieve your dreams and even have freedom, brother. But before getting rich, you have to learn how to handle money. Otherwise, you can win and lose everything quickly. Learning to manage money has to come first. This will make life easier and prepare you for a future of wealth. Look for videos and information about financial organization, If you're already doing that, congratulations, you're on the right path. 7th step, time organization. Let's talk about time. It's the most valuable currency in the world, and wealthy people don't waste it. So, make a list of the less important things that take up 5% of your day, and another list of important things like learning, work, taking care of yourself, giving attention to family and health. Organize your day and learn to use free time to learn, like listening to productive audiobooks in traffic. Use your time wisely and productively to grow. Remember that there is no evolution without good time management. Finally, the 8th step, circle of people. Connect with people who inspire you to achieve your goals. Stay away from negative people who complain and lament about their lives. Research shows that your success in life depends on your circle of people. Become a person of action and put into practice your knowledge about modeling, wealth, people, and self-discipline. It's not enough to just theorize. Action is what leads to success. Embrace the process, face the challenges, and wealth and protection will come naturally. Don't forget that we have included links in the description to help you with your personal development and growth.